Alam ko, gutom na kayo and excited na kayo for the last part. Isn't it?
Yes!
Excited na ba sa last part?
Yes!
Okay. Actually, I prepared a closing remarks. But since alam ko naman na gusto na kayong sumayaw, so I make it very short. Okay. To our very active and supportive Associate Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Dr. Esperijon Sarita, to the program chairs of the different the School of Hospitality Management, Ma'am Jayan Saldua, for the School of Agriculture, Sir Gualberto Gitao, and of course for the CIT, Engineer Arnold Tabiliran, to our dynamic Board of Judges, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I just would like to commend and acknowledge your hard work, dedication, and of course, your full support to our Technology Sports Fest 2024. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. You made the event a resounding success. So, my salute to all of you, especially to the SSG officers and members. This is, our event is very successful. So, without your support, siguro, dili pod maingon ani ka successful. So, once again, congratulations and thank you to all of us. So, sad-sad na.